What's up, guys? I Fix It in Your Face. Don't forget, I have a Facebook that you guys can join if you have questions about anything in the video or anything in regards to anything motorcycle, scooter, fix-it stuff. Join my Facebook. It's an easy way to get in contact with me and get the help you need. Don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, all that good stuff, man. I make these videos for you guys. I don't make them for me. You can help me by dropping a subscription. Join the Facebook. I'm telling you, man, join the Facebook. If you're trying to get in contact with me, it's the easiest way to do it. Okay? Don't forget, everything you need is in the description below of the video. Let's get started. Okay. I'm gonna try to do a full video for you here. You asked me why your bike would run differently only on one cylinder. Now, I understand you don't know much about bikes, so I'm gonna help you today. Okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna disconnect. First, I'm going to start the bike up. This is a twin cylinder. I have easy access to the spark plugs on this bike. Okay, this is also a 250 fuel injected, but as you can see, I can gain access to the spark plugs real quick. So what I'm going to do is we're going to start this bike up with both cylinders. I'm going to let you listen to what it sounds like on both cylinders. Then I'm going to unplug one and let you hear what it sounds like. And then I'm going to show you the difference with power and takeoff and why your bike keeps stalling. Now, this is a slightly different bike than yours. It is fuel injected, so it may react a little bit differently. I may actually be able to drive it on one cylinder, but yours being carbureted, probably not. I don't know what this one's going to do, but I'll show you. All right, so let me use my forearm to push the clutch in. There we go. Running on both cylinders now. You can hear it. It sounds really smooth, right? Like the engine just sounds extremely smooth. So, everything about it. That's a cold startup. Fuel injected cold startup, nice and smooth, right? Now I'm gonna start it up with only one cylinder firing. You ready? I'm gonna disconnect. Let's do this side. We'll unplug the right side. I'm gonna unplug one spark plug before the engine gets hot, okay? So there you go. I got one plug off now. Spark plug, plug's off. Now we're gonna start it. Let you hear the difference with the bike, if it'll even run. It's fuel injected, it might detect it has a problem and not run, but we'll see. All right, forearm on the clutch. Hear how it's chugging really bad? But this is what I heard from your bike. That's how I knew it was running one cylinder. If I try to give it any kind of gas, it may take it, but it'll take a minute to build load. Now, the bike has no power whatsoever. This bike should be revving up really hard. It's just chugging along. All right, now I'm gonna try to drive it in its current condition. Let's see if it'll even move on one cylinder. I put this in the thing. Gonna do that. We're gonna zoom out a little bit. Let me see if I can even drive this fuel-injected motorcycle on one cylinder. This might be able to do it. Your bike, I guarantee, can't. So, kickstand up, clutch down. It doesn't even have the power to take off. Now, if I plug in that other cylinder and I start it up, pop it back in neutral here. You can easily hear the difference in power now. The bike has just doubled its power and the engine's running really smooth. So now when I engage the clutch, it easily has the power to go. It doesn't even take much. It easily has the takeoff power. A little bit of power. I'm sure you can see now the difference between only having one cylinder operating and both cylinders operating. You're down half the power in the engine, so you're down half the power and the engine is completely unbalanced. It's not only having to try to move you and the bike, but it's also having to push a cylinder up and down that is not firing, so that's taking extra power. So I hope that helps you understand that, man.